Every month, that bill arrives in your inbox or your mailbox. You look at the charge for your home phone line and you cringe. It is $40. Maybe it is 50. You barely even use the thing. Most calls are just telemarketers or robots anyway, but you keep it because you like having a landline for emergencies or for the kids. It feels like an anchor for the house. What if I told you that you could keep that anchor without the heavy weight of the monthly fee? There is a clever little device that changes the game by using your internet connection to provide a full-scale home phone service. You buy the hardware once. After that, the monthly service fee is zero. You only pay the required taxes and fees that the government mandates. For most people, that is just a few dollars. It is a massive shift from those bloated cable company bundles. This particular wireless adapter is unique because it does not require a messy Ethernet cable. You do not have to tether it to your router in the closet. It connects to your home Wi-Fi signal. This means you can place it anywhere in your house where you have a clear signal and a power outlet. Once it is hooked up, you get a crystal clear dial tone. You can plug in the phones you already own. There is no need to go out and buy a bunch of new equipment. You just take the cord from your old handset and click it into the back of this box. The sound quality is actually a highlight here. It uses a specialized technology to compress the audio without losing the detail. If your internet is stable, the calls often sound better than the old copper lines ever did. It feels rich and natural. You get all the standard features too. Caller ID shows up on your screen. Call waiting works exactly like you expect. There's a built-in voicemail system that can even send you text alerts when someone leaves a message. If you are worried about losing your phone number, do not be. You can usually port your existing number over so your friends and family do not have to learn a new one. There is also a mobile app that links to your account. This is a huge perk. If you are out at the park, your home phone can ring right on your smartphone. You can check messages or make calls using your home caller ID from anywhere in the world. Now, it is not perfect. You have to remember that this system lives and dies by your internet connection. If your power goes out or your provider has a hiccup, your phone goes silent. That is something to consider if you live in an area with frequent outages. Some people also find the optional paid tier tempting. For about $10 a month, you get advanced features like better spam filtering and free calling to other countries. But for the average household, the basic plan is more than enough. Setting it up is a simple process. You use a dedicated app to walk through the activation. It usually takes less than 10 minutes to get everything running. Some users on forums have mentioned that customer support can be a little slow if you hit a snag, but those instances seem rare. Most people find it to be a set it and forget it type of solution. It is a fantastic option for anyone looking to trim their monthly expenses without giving up the comfort of a home phone. It works for seniors who want a physical handset. It works for families who want a dedicated line for the house. It is about cutting ties with the big phone companies and using the technology you already pay for to your advantage. You get the reliability you need at a fraction of the cost. It is a smart move for your wallet.